trade, new and used, fabricating and chip making machinery, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today we're going to show you a really nice shear that we just finished up. We still have a little bit more work to do on the back gauge on the PLC. We can show you the basic machine all set up and ready to work. Every machine here that we sell comes with a Sterling certified guarantee. We have all our mechanics in staff, in-house. They go through the machine. This one's been cleaned, painted. Everything sounded really good. The adjustment on all the clutch and everything. Go ahead and let you see it cycle a few times. Now this is a 40 by 12 foot mild steel capacity. Go ahead and cycle a few more times. You see it sounds really nice when it's running. Everything cycles really well. This actually has a air clutch, so you're going to need air for every time you're going to be using this, so you might need that in the factory. This is the PLC back gauge CNC control system, and that's going to go ahead and allow you to do multiple programming with the back gauge. You can use it manually if you want right here, forward and reverse. And the back gauge in the rear is of course moving forward and reverse. With your indicator you'll know exactly where you're at. So go ahead and cut the metal. So I don't have a piece of 40 by 12 right now, but we're just going to show you real quick how this will cut. Grab the foot pedal. Of course, no problem for the shear. Nice, clean, easy, no burrs. Now before this goes out, let us know what type of material you're cutting, and we'll go ahead and get it ready for you. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website for great information, specs, videos, and some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com.